Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have geotagging option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can turn it off and another tap to turn it on, like that, as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet. For example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check the location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here, we have access to the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.